In 1845, the Irish potato famine struck, devastating crops across the nation. Yet, in the barren soils of Connemara, a peculiar phenomenon occurred. Some plants thrived despite the nutrient-poor earth. Why? It was the symbiotic relationship with mycorrhizal fungi that allowed these plants to absorb nutrients efficiently. This discovery led to a deeper understanding of plant resilience and adaptation. The unexpected twist? These fungi were remnants of ancient forests, long vanished. How did these fungi survive? The mystery deepens, inviting us to ponder nature's hidden wonders. Today, this knowledge aids sustainable agriculture worldwide.